white car, red car, yellow car, blue car, black car. Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This is Case Time Active. Today we have brought a large mobile garage truck. Let's we introduce it, unboxing it. Before introduction and unboxing, please it is request subscribe this channel. We will try to make a good videos for you. We need help for your subscription, for your like and for your sharing. So let's introduce. This is a garage truck, so beautiful, nice shaping. Its price 1550. Here is a so beautiful pictures of that truck. Let's unboxing it. Look at that, so beautiful truck. Here are some traffic signals, road signals. Looks its shape, so beautiful and so powerful, look like a giant. Here are some traffic signals and road signals. Its tires are so small but so strong. Beautiful tires, nice shaping. I think from there put a car and release from there. Look at that, there are so many beautiful cars. I think we open and let's check it. Long and big truck. Let's open it. Wow, so beautiful. There are some signal signs. This is stop sign. This is road close sign. These are road safeties. This is a signal sign. Stop, reduce, left, right, turn. And this is a caution sign. Cannot cross the track. So there is some danger. This is parking sign, parking is there. Another parking sign, don't parking for there. Same parking sign. And there is a road signal sign. Let's close. Another side of this truck. Wow, it's so beautiful. Cars are there. First of all, car pushers. We will try this game and look at the cars. This is a beautiful white car, black windows. This is a beautiful red car, so beautiful yellow car, beautiful green car, blue car and black car. So beautiful these cars. Look at that. These toys are placed in single row. First row car, second row is signals, and back side of this a beautiful long powerful truck. So let's we try to race these cars. First of all, this is a road signal and we are going to race this. We put up the car from there, release from there and go to the straight road. Which car is more travel than other? Let's go and start. Oh, good. Yellow one looking better. Oh, I think it will create holder. Let's give it another chance. Oh, totally failure. Green one. Oh, look at that. Crushed everything. This white one. Oh, not so good. Let's give him another chance. Oh, crush it everything. So I think yellow one is first winner, blue one and third red one. So this is a so beautiful game. I hope you have enjoyed this. Before departing, it is request please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more good videos. Let's see again. Bye bye.